Because it's bedtime, you.
Don't embarrass me, Auntie Carol.
Put your mask on. Alright, Mum, this is my thing.
Jordan, go back
I
ahead
can't
then,
even see
Sarah.
out of it. I'm trying to find my door.
What chicken?
Door!
Yeah, over here.
Heather.
Yeah, stand there.
I need to get it. Mum, wait!
Has someone got my camera? I put it down and it's gone again. You got sat on it, have you?
There.
There you are.
Stand where the light is behind.
Apples.
Now let it
Uncle Ronnie!
Yeah, well, look, just.
let it
She
finger
got it
you
on
up,
right
it's not
second.
right.
Do I look
Put
like
your hair on, Ethan. You can't push it.
Leave it!
Ronnie can carry this box.
I can't find this denim jacket.
Stand up because you said put your blue on.
What's that ring in your neck, Emma?
To medal.
Jordan.
Killed a nose this.
Turn round.
Can you breathe? I can't breathe.
You won't need a mask when you come around. I mean, you just have stupid, ridiculous teeth. Have you brought them? Watch yourself, mate.
Uncle, can I wear
Do you think it's good for me denim jacket?
And what did you say?
Or do you reckon I'll be
vampires don't? Vampires don't wear hats.
Did you find your
Vampires don't wear hats. You do? Trick or treat.
You're going now?
Did it let it go dark?
I think you're stupid, then go now. Because they're all waiting for the same thing.
You best get there first, don't get Uncle.
Yeah, but you don't want to go too early, do you?
No.
It is going down now.
You'd be going slow round the house. It'd be blackbird trying to get up there.
Why don't you take Sam with you?
You've got Margaret and Sheila.
You can be a black cat. I'm taking your
Just
teeth
look
out
like
for a
your
bit.
grandma, doesn't she?
Is that it?
Sarah, get in with your box.
Oh, do you want to try me gun joke?
Don't ask what's in it.
Put your hand in that.
Carry it anyway if you're She'll stink. She'll stink when you get her in hand. Smile.
Can I have a go now, Uncle Ronnie?
I will.
Well, you have to say it from the gold
Trick or treat. I will.
Ken.
I know. I will. You are. Trick or treat. Can't say it.
We'll show you all these.
I've got to wait for what?
Hang
Oh,
on.
the one, yeah. Oh, the
Be careful. Go to Marlon first.
Jam.
Sarah.
Sarah.
So you like the handbag?
Mine's got a pumpkin on it. This one's got a pumpkin.
Joe.
Don't look at your mum.
Jordan.
Which bit? Another time. Who's school?
Sarah.
Where's my camera? Oh, my ears falling off. I'm not putting all this on it because I'm not too fussy. I'll stand at top of grass.
I can see my hat coming.
Jordan. Jordan.
I need you. Hang on, we're not ready.
You're not ready.
Not this.
Go on, Joe. Now. Joe. Go on
I
now.
can't look, I'm not dressful.
Don't show Marlon yet.
I'll leave the mask off, shall I?
I'm doing the sound effects for Carol on the video. So we know it's Halloween. You know, I know. Come show where the celery teeth.
Uncle Ronnie, black socks.
Well, no more.
Sad socks. Yeah, they are very sad.
Pippi,
Have you just filled their socks?
Oh, aye.
Pippi long stocking.
Ah! Oh. Go on, here you go. Beep.
Where's your chili, Auntie Carol? Where's your chili?
You can have them.
It's a bit out there for you, darling.
My dad won't have chili.
Yeah, really loved it. Is he filming the book? There, there.
The one I'm filming. Where's Quiet One gone?
Watch them sweets. They're gonna. Mum, don't make me one.
Bum's filling the screen.
Yo.
Yo.
Who's brought this? No.
My new present.
Uncle Ronnie. Yeah, for Sarah. Sarah picked the socks again.
There's all the cooking apples in it. Apple pie. Uncle Ronnie, your stomach is filling the screen. Fatty.
I told you he's fat.
Yeah, put wide angle lens and get it all in.
I don't know why you do it. Cheesecake's going down. Nearly went then.
Oh, put him on.
In the mouth. Go.
You'll pick 4 up and you got trick or treat. Well, it's 2 different types of fish, you know, so you better decline in one or the other because you need different types for you go on the canal.
Are you
Just roll
thinking
with
of
your
me?
No.
Then I think it runs out. Or
Here. Right up close. Right up your nostril, I've got.
20
Let me pause it first.
I'll get the seat if you want.
Yeah.
How about
So if you
not
get
really?
You know.
no, if you go like on the canals and that, if you're going on the canals, I'd get him what's called a roach boat. Luke for one, like a beginner like Graham.
That's good. That's
You go
good.
to George and talk, you know, or I think,
That includes
no, with the roach boat you don't have
That lollipop.
real fish that everyone uses. You don't use
Joanna's bottom's filling the screen.
so it's normally roach boat. The best place to
Sarah? Sarah?
Everybody.
what you get.
Everybody.
You know,
Sarah, is it recording?
10 metre net, you
Come
go
on.
up a lot in money. And you go 11 metre, you're talking like 300.
Show us the ghost, Joe.
Mike's got one. I think Mike's
My ghost, I
11
did.
metres or something like that.
Mine.
But you can buy them.
I did.
Yeah,
Mine.
you can buy them like 8 metres and they bend and they dip and whatever. I don't know what through. But then they'll put you straight. If you go into them, just tell them.
You got
You
no down on
yeah.
So if I ring the magic, you can't have the real
See,
thing.
but the thing is,
Tell some sound, man.
it's like for Aberdarren. You could pick a really good rod and reel for 30 quid. You know, see,
Fish and that.
always pick different stuff. But like for the canals,
You see that? Yeah.
the fish in the canals are more delicate fish. So you've got a fish that's more delicate, and you know you need more delicate things. You've got to it's delicate. You've got to put it.
Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. Sarah, can you take the door? Get away, get away, get away.
Tell him come down and I'll see if he likes it.
No, he's got horrible antennae. He's all melted.
See?
It's our trick box. Stop moving and filming it.
This is our trick box.
That Kirby.
Look at that. Look, Mum.
Shut up. Get in. Get out, Rose. That one who's laughing's Faye, and the other one over there is Ava.
Really good roll.
And Joanna. Get a toffee, Dad. Have a toffee, Dad.
Is that lolly? Buy that, you know.
Have you not got a toffee?
Ah, yeah.
Hey, got two there.
I'm gonna get out on 2 at once. Give me 2 at once. It's quicker. Give me another as well. I know now.
Yeah.
What's your name, Joe?
On the job. Joanne. Didn't like that Luke might give me then.
That was nice. That's lovely, that one, isn't it? Oh, you right. Get away.
You stink. Uncle, who's driving you?
Yeah.
Go for a minute.
You have to. No.
Why is it going on?
That one doesn't go up, that one. That's like a wheel. There's
Here we go, let me see it.
Yeah, it's on a good while. That was
Are you recording? Record that. You're not recording. No, upstairs is recording.
When it's dead, so zoom in on it. Right in.
I think he'll waste them, love. Deirdre.
There's the flat.
You may as well keep them in. It does, doesn't it?
He's always not put nail in it.
Stu, wait.
I do full screen, I've got some green and red.
Can see cap and wheel from camera.
Yeah.
I think they're nice.
The rockets are nice, I don't know whether I could...
You get a lot more of them. Oh, there's another one. Has to be low.
Save from some cheesecake.
I like cheesecake.
That's super.
Record it, Uncle Roddy.
That's right.
That's tripping on you, Emma. Move over a little bit. Alright.
They're alright. We got next. So,
Up here, Dad, up here.
what anywhere? Go
You
give
see
it a
that bad
spin,
one?
Dwayne. With your good finger.
This is
But Emma's upstairs going, Dwayne! You'll hear window going.
Hey, Leah.
Did your cameras? Say hiya. Hiya. Hiya.
Leah.
When I shove your name out.
You like them, didn't you? Yeah, you like them. Come on.
Some cheesecake.
No, thanks.
Do you not want it?
You like it?
In John Market,
Yeah.
the other day, God, I just dressed for the baby, you know. Right, I thought, like a Christmassy one. Oh, it's 25 short now, it's 15 if you want.
Hey.
What she got, like, Mum bought me dress for Christmas Day.
That.
And like a silky one, it was a big ribbon, you know, on the sleeves and that, like a red one, red and green or red, it was all like lacy and... Oh, well, it was
You put it down.
Oh, she didn't sharpen the drum in?
I'll put it back on.
for my snowman. It is snowy. Down go, Dad. No, I've been eating. I don't want any. I'll do your beer for you.
As we open ourselves, that's our choice, that's the free will God gives.
Oh, that looks good, Joe.
You see this one?
I think you'll have to get down and I might build that up for you. Look at the size of it.
There's another one of mine. Oh, sweet! You just said I'm not remembering that on my Christmas list. It said sweet and look, some sweets. Sweets!
Lift it out and see what you've got in it.
Oh, look.
Oh, Joe, you've got loads in there. Let's see what's in here. Hey?
I've just seen what's in here. Now, because I love opening presents.
What's that? Balloon modelling. Make things with balloons.
One blue modelling, Dad.
Oh, brilliant. I want to go with that.
That looks fun, doesn't it? Wait till I'm... Oh, Joe, wait a minute. Look what I can spot to me when he's left it.
Yes! My first
Put
Christmas.
it on. Okay.
No. All right then. If you are.
Come here. Oh, just fit.
Look good in it, don't I? I think I look good in it.
Magic hats.
That's what I wanted. Dad, that's what my friends
Is that?
Yeah,
You know my friend Carol.
yeah. Can you open it now?
In a minute.
No one to
125 magic tricks in them. Isn't that lovely? Hey, complete you.
There you go.
What do you say?
What's happening?
What'd you say?
Thank you.
Never heard you come in anyway.
Straight into bed, that's right.
Mummy, it is heavy.
Did you get in?
Mum, but I have a feel of that. I have a feel of it.
Oh God, that is, isn't it? My God.
Open this one. Just leave them. Bendy. Not doing it again. Sorry. Thank you.
What is it?
Just one lantern.
Those are the ones. Ah, oh.
Time is it on?
Yes! The video!
So wait.
Mum, is that what you bought me?
I think I bought you that one, yeah.
Paul, that's what you've got.
Yeah, I've seen that. It's good.
Do you like that one?
Yeah.
I was going to buy him that.
What is it?
Oh, Granny, I need some
Oh,
dough.
yeah, me.
That's it.
Yeah, for Christmas. We'll have a look. It might be a bit smelly.
Oh, what is this?
I don't think it's all on you.
What's that?
Don't think there's any money in it. That's lovely.
Don't worry.
That's lovely. You've done all that on your own.
You have to do that because yours coming. Remember on the big
Yeah.
card?
That's beautiful.
Open that. And guess what it is? Just shut your eyes.
Oh, that's great.
Now open it. Shut your eyes.
Oh, they are beautiful.
Earrings. Just what you wanted,
They
isn't it?
are lovely then. I'll wear them today. Thank you very much. From Darren and Mike.
Yeah!
Ah, links.
Have you got your aftershave then?
Yeah.
Not what it's got on.
Okay, I'll get them on video.
Mom!
Send for Sir Edward.
Would you rather have them on you?
She meant after not. She meant after not now.
Right, he's going to take the
You
thing.
did have that, Ron. Ron. For dinner.
Hi everybody!
Hello, darling. Here's the coffee's Carol Jr. Oh, thanks.